The best Facebook ad audience structure in 2026? Well, across many B2B and B2C campaigns over the years that I've optimized, one thing consistently improves performance regardless of platform updates or algorithm changes: clean audience structure and segmentation. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build and structure your Facebook ad audiences properly so you can improve lead quality and stop wasting budget. And we'll do it in 3 simple steps here. First, we're going to build your core custom audiences. I'll show you how to do that. Second, structuring and segmenting them strategically. And third, we're going to review performance using the breakdown feature, if you're not familiar with it, so you can make smarter optimization decisions for your Facebook ads, or meta ads. I use this interchangeably. So let's begin. Go into Ads Manager, click on Audiences, and create your foundational custom audiences, including website visitors, Instagram engagement, Facebook page engagement, and customer list uploads, because these are your primary data pools where engagement audiences represent warm prospects and customer lists represent proven leads or buyers. And remember, custom audiences are not just for retargeting, but for feeding Meta's optimization system and give it high quality signals, which Meta's own documentation confirms leads to better campaign optimization when the input data is clean and meaningful. Next, structure and segment those audiences clearly by separating engaged audiences, that means people who have interacted but not yet purchased, from existing customers who have already converted and bought. Because clean segmentation creates clean feedback and allows you to exclude customers from acquisition campaigns so that you don't waste spend targeting buyers again. And it enables kind of a stage-based messaging where prospects receive trust-building content and customers receive upsell or retention messaging, and ultimately strengthens the quality of the signals you're sending into the algorithm. Finally, and this is the step most advertisers skip, go into your campaign inside Ads Manager and click on the breakdown. Then choose audience segments. And as Facebook states here, you can view audience insights for your sales campaigns once people from those segments have interacted with your ads. It's big time illumination here, because this is where you analyze cost per lead, cost per purchase, conversion rates, and return on ad spend by segment. See, now you can determine whether engaged audiences are outperforming, whether existing customers are being hit unnecessarily in prospecting campaigns, and whether one group is driving higher quality results. Again, highly illuminating. You may not have known about this, so you need to do this. If you're not reviewing segment breakdowns, well, you're basically optimizing blind here. The full performance cycle, it really looks like this. Build high quality audiences, structure and separate them clearly, and consistently analyze performance by segment. And when you structure your audiences like an operator instead of a beginner, you improve results without increasing budget. And if you want to go deeper into campaign structure, optimization strategy, and improving lead quality at scale, make sure you subscribe and watch this next video here. I think it's on this side. Yes. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. And by the way, I do answer all the comments personally, so please comment below if you have any questions. We'll see you there.